buongiorno, and welcome to Lisa's Italian Kitchen on this glorious summer day. So it's end of August, and what fruit is plentiful? Figs. I love figs, my favorite fruit in the world. We have all different types of figs in Sicily. So these that I purchased today for this appetizer are the purple figs. So purple figs are delicious, green figs, the black mission figs, all of them are sweet at this time of year. I'm going to make you a wonderful, flavorful appetizer in less than 10 minutes that you can start your summer dinner with or just have for a brunch or an appetizer in your backyard. Here we are. We have 4 ingredients: figs, goat cheese, prosciutto, and balsamic vinegar. Now, I'm giving you the choice of using 2 different types of balsamic. This is the regular balsamic vinegar that we can drizzle on the top, or if you'd like, you can buy the balsamic reduced glaze, which I absolutely adore. It's a little sweeter than the regular balsamic. Up to you. So what do we do for this very simple, quick, delicious appetizer? We are going to slice our figs. I've already washed them. Figs are very delicate, so be very careful when you wash them, not to bruise the skin. I'm taking off the stem and lining them up. We're then going to top them with the goat cheese, a square of prosciutto, small piece of prosciutto, and the balsamic vinegar. What's so delicious about this appetizer is you have the sweetness of the figs combined with the saltiness of the prosciutto and the mild creaminess of goat cheese. If you're not a fan of goat cheese, you can substitute feta. Remember that feta is a little saltier. So you're going to have that. It'll be more of a salty taste added with the prosciutto. But either one is delicious. So now we have our figs sliced. And these are just perfectly sized. They're bite-sized figs. So you just need these on your plant. Maybe you want to serve them with toothpicks or just a little fork, whichever you'd like. We're going to take a little bit of the goat cheese and just place it right in the center of the figs. You can use your fingers. So easy to do. Some people like more goat cheese than others. So delicious. Easy to assemble, easy to eat. Okay, so now we have a piece of goat cheese. And look how pretty that looks, just like that. If you wanted to stop right there and serve them just with the goat cheese, it's a wonderful flavor combination as well. But we're going to add a little saltiness with a piece of prosciutto on top of each fig. So simple, so delicious. This is going to add a lovely saltiness to the prosciutto, to the goat cheese, which is creamy, and the sweetness of the fig. I'm going to use my fingers because it's easier. Prosciutto tends to stick together. There we go. And now I'm just going to take my Fini balsamic reduction. It looks so pretty. And we're just going to look at that. Drizzle all over. So yummy. So fun. Look at what a beautiful presentation that is. And eccolo. Tutto pronto. A wonderful late summer appetizer. using the seasonal figs that are so sweet and so delicious that I cannot even resist eating one. You've got the sweetness of the fig, the creaminess of the goat cheese, little saltiness of the prosciutto, and the decadent, rich, sweet flavor of the balsamic reduction. Buon appetito! Happy summer! Perfetto. Ciao ciao.